Hello everyone, let's see how you can use the Junie AI. Okay, so this is one of the AI sent by the JetBrains. Okay, so if you are using IntelliJ IDE, then in that case, basically you can get this AI agent. Okay, so what we are going to do is that I need to actually also install the IDE. So I will first install the IntelliJ IDE, then in that basically I will be using the Junie AI agent. Okay, so let me just download this exe file. So it's around 1.1 GB, so it will take few minutes of time. So once this is done, then we will proceed with the installation part. Okay, so download is completed. Here you can see I will just quickly go for the installation. So let me just install. So just double click on it, and then it will open up a window for you. Let's just wait. So you can see it's verifying. Okay, cool. Just click on yes, then do next, and you need at least 4.1 GB of space. It's fine, I will install at this path. uh, yeah, you can check mark these options. Do next. Yeah, that's fine to install. So again, it's going to take few minutes of time to install, so we'll just wait for it until it get installed. Okay, so you can see installation is completed. So I will just do checkbox this item. Let's do finish. So it will basically run IntelliJ IDEA here. You can see, and yeah, I confirm. Just do the continue. You can just allow it. Import settings. For now, we'll just skip this part. Okay, so you can see, welcome to IntelliJ IDEA we have here. And what I'll do is that projects, customized plugins, and all everything we are getting. Okay, so if I just go for the new project, so it's loading. So I can just give the test and JDK and all I have. That's fine. Just do create. Okay, so you can see with the free AI we have, you got this option as well here. What you can see here, chat with the code base added and use multi-line charge changes and smart apply, all these things. Okay, so we'll just do let's go. Okay, cool. So I need to just find where is that AI option we have here. Let me just see. But here you can see it's installing Junie the AI coding agent. So I think it is installed. Mm, and here you can see AI chat. So I will just click on it. So here you can see it's installing now. So we'll just wait until it gets installed. So just wait. Okay, so here you can see Junie you have, and Claude agent also you can see, Codex also you can see. So we'll just start with the JetBrains AI will do. And here we need to log in with the account basically. So you can just do continue with Google or continue with email. Okay, so it all depends upon you. So let me just log in here first. I'll just pause the video at this moment. Okay, so you can see login is successfully done, and you can see you can start the free trial if you want. And if I just click here, there also I think I need to do the same thing. It's asking for the login only. So basically it's not free, I feel. Okay, so we need to do start free trial only. So verify your account by linking a payment card. Okay, so if you want to basically add your card and all, you can just add those things and you will get a mail regarding this, and you can just proceed. So let me just check. So once you click on verify your account, you will come up on this page. You need to select your country. So for me it's India now. So if I just select India and save, so you can just add your credit card if you have. Okay, so you can just add your cards and all, and then you can just start using the Junie AI. Okay, so even you have the Claude Agent and Codex as well, so you can just try any of the AI agent here in this case. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.